Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a laser CNC and we will learn how to make it by step. Now let's start. This is my first mini CNC plotter. I am going to use the same structure for the mini CNC laser. Now I am going to remove these two stepper motors. Here you can see it now. Then I am going to remove the Arduino board also. Now here I have new stepper motors. Here you can see it. I already soldered it. There are two coils. Blue one is one coil and the other one is yellow. I soldered the other side of the wires to the 4-pin female headers. Here you can see it. This time I made two 3D parts. This one is to hold the laser module. And this part is the tray that is used to keep the wood piece. Now I am going to fix these 3D parts to the stepper motors by using the screw. Now you can see it. This is my laser module. Brand is Laser 3. 12 volt 7.5 watt. Optical power is 2.2 watt. Here there are 3 pins. Positive pin, negative pin, PWM pin. Because of this PWM pin, we can control the power of the laser module. I am going to connect these wires like this way. Now I am going to put this laser module like this way. You can see this 3D part, it is well fixed. This time I am using the CNC Shield version 3. First I take the 6 jumpers, then take 3 and connect it to the X-axis. And the other 3 connect it to the Y-axis, like this way. You need 2 A4988 drivers. Here you can see it. First I need to adjust the voltage of the A4988 driver. For that I connect the A4988 driver to the EN pin of the shield. Then take the multimeter and turn the multimeter to the resistor mode. Then keep the negative side of the multimeter to the negative side of the shield. Then keep the positive side of the multimeter on the preset of the driver. Now you can see the multimeter. The value should be 1.6. Because this stepper motor is small, that's why the value should be 1.6. If it is not, you have to adjust the preset. This is the wiring diagram. You can click the link in the description below to download the wiring diagram and the code. Here I am going to connect the wires to the shield in the power supply and the laser module. Now I am going to connect the shield to the Arduino board. Here I am connecting PWM pin in laser to the Z- pin in the shield. Now I am connecting the X-axis and the Y-axis stepper motors to the X-axis and the Y-axis in the shield. Now I am connecting the A4988 drivers to the X-axis and the Y-axis in the shield. Now I am connecting the power supply. Here I am supplying 12 volt 4 ampere power. Now let's upload the code. Now I am searching Grbl 1.1. and going to select Grbl GitHub and download the library. First extract the file, then copy the folder Grbl and paste it in the Arduino IDE library folder. Then open the Arduino IDE. Then go to Files and select Examples and select Grbl and Grbl Upload. Now you can see the code. Then upload the code. There is a warning. You don't need to worry about that warning. You can ignore that warning. Then search LaserGRBL. Then select LaserGRBL.com. Then download that software. First, you have to install that software. Then I'm gonna open that software. Then I'm putting my COM port 7. Then I am putting the bundle rate to 115,200. Then I am connecting it. Then you can see the GRBL version 1.1. Then go to GRBL and select settings. And go to raster import. And put a tick to support PWM pin. And save it. Then go to GRBL and select GRBL configuration. And select the maximum spindle speed. And put it to 256. And go to laser mode enable. And put it to 1. Then select X-axis travel resolution to 106 and the Y-axis travel resolution to 106. Then select X-axis maximum travel to 37 and the Y-axis maximum travel to 37. Now click the right button to save the settings. Now I am selecting open file and selecting my picture. And you can change any settings like brightness, contrast, white clip, line to line tracing and quality. Then select next. Then I am selecting my laser mode to dynamic power and selecting the width and height size to 37. Then create. Then I am going to check the frame. Now I am going to print my picture. This is a perfect picture of me. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please support my channel. It really does help. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.